Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we will discuss about throws advice, and previously we discussed our after advice concept. In this video we will discuss throws advice, and we will discuss some programmatic approach. Okay, how to do in programmatic approach. Okay, let's start today's topic. Hmm. Okay, today's topic is throws advice. Okay, this advice will execute this advice will execute when exception is raised in target method. Okay, using this advice we cannot catch and handle the exception catch or handle exception, but we can see the details of exception that is raised. Okay, means okay, the next point is we can use this advice to develop some central exception logger. I will write this thing. Okay, we can use this advice to develop what to develop common or central exception logger. Okay, that logs all exception raised related messages that are raised in our various target methods of our target classes. We can catch and handle exception raised by target method in our client app, where target method will be called. Okay, and next point is to develop the advice we need to take the class implementation of our throws advice interface. Okay, throws advice is our marker interface. Marker interface means empty interface. For marking purpose we use this interface to tell the compiler this class is giving some exception, and we need to place one or more after throwing methods. Okay, having some following having some signatures are there. I'm showing the signatures. I'll show the signatures in our development of our class. Means after throwing methods are there, multiple after throwing methods are there. we will see that methods there. Okay, we have to implement what? Throws advice. Okay, interface. Then some control points are there, are important points. What we will tell, we can access target arguments. Okay, but there is no use of modifying them. We are just showing the exception related message to the end user. Okay, means like our servlet JSP HTML files. Okay, we have these files are which we can tell this is presentation tier. Okay, presentation tier component, and a DAO service like what, our business tier component. Okay, if business tier component propagates, propagates the technology specific exception to presentation tier components, then tight coupling problem will raise. To solve this problem, we use throws advice to translate a technology exception to project specific custom exception. Okay, then we can use that. We cannot control target, and second key control point is what, we cannot control target method execution, but control comes to throws advice after executing target method, that too for exception raising. Okay. And we cannot catch the return value of our of target method. Okay, some note point is there. Note point means I'm writing the note point is, yeah, our throws advice logic throws advice logic not only executes when exception is raised. Exception is raised in target method. Okay, method, it also responds for the exception raised in other advice maximum other advices. Okay, advices that are configured on the target method. Okay. Yeah, we have some use cases are there. Some use cases. What use cases means, to develop our central exception logger. That logger also the logs all exception related messages, and to translate the technology specific exceptions to project specific custom exception to achieve loose coupling between presentation tier and business tier components. Okay. Let's develop some one application of our throws advice, and okay, new, not new, to copy this. Okay, and I will paste it. What is this? This is number 6. Number 6. Some what? Acceptor. Okay, acceptor. Then this is what? throws advice, throws advice. You will not find this declarative approach kind of things anywhere. Okay, rarely we will find, because everyone is using except j, means except j, kind of things. This is old approach. I am giving some 7 to 8 videos for this old approach only. Okay. Okay, after one or two class, another one video is needed for point per things. Then we will move to accept aspect j, AOP kind of things. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, we need a service class. In this service class, the pin generation method is there. I need config configuration. Okay. That time things. Okay, what is this? I will take price calculator. Okay, some exception I am sending to this, sending to our advice. That's why dummy example I'm taking. Okay, price calculator. Okay, I will rename the file. Then what? Then calculate. Okay, then what? Public float calculate price some float price. Okay, and float quantity is there. Okay, done. Okay, I will conclude if our price is equal to 0.0 f, then 0.0 f, or our quantity, whatever quantity is equal to 0.0 f. Okay, then what we will throw? We will throw new what? Illegal argument exception. Throw new illegal argument exception, throwing some value is what? Price. Message is what? Price and quantity must not be zero. Okay, I'm sending this message. Okay, then what I will return? What? Price into quantity. Okay, I'll return this thing. Okay, we'll get done. Our service class target class method is done. Target class is done. We don't need random, so Control Shift O for not required packages. Okay, then we have to change in there com.service dot what is there dot price calculator is there, target win is there. Okay, let's develop our what? Advice class. Throws advice. Where is that? Is that pin check advice is there? I have to, what I will do? I will do exception logger. Okay, I will change the name. which is implements what? Throws advice. Where is that? Here. Throws advice. I will delete this thing. Okay. Control set. Oh. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Remove block comment. No. Not record this. Where is that? Okay. Okay, we will take what? After throwing. Okay. Method public. What is the method? Void. I will take after throwing. After throwing method. We need after throwing method. What is the type is? Illegal argument exception. Illegal argument exception is there. Okay. Then throw new number format exception. Format exception. Okay, I'm writing some statement here. Change. Okay. When we show to the what client purpose, I'm giving this. Okay, then what I will taking overloading method. I'm taking what is the overloading method after throwing? Control C. Okay, control V. After throwing. Okay. Method. Third method. Okay. Method is there. Then what? Object. What? Arguments is there. Then next what? We need object target method also need na. Object target method we need. Then we need what? Throwable. Okay, throwable exception I need. Okay, done. Then I am giving sys trace. Okay, sys trace. Okay, then I also give here. See. Okay, this is normal, and this is overloading method. Okay, then as what I will print, I will print IE exception related class. I will get dot get class. Okay, plus I need exception is raised in where is raised. I have to put the things here. Okay, plus method dot get name. Where is the name? Okay, method dot get name plus what we need, plus we need some arguments, right? Need what? With the args. What is the argument is there? Argument, how to get argument? arrays dot toString. Here is just toString args, args, args. Okay, args is there. Then lastly we need class. What is the class? Okay, plus okay, in what class is there? In what class? Okay, how to get class? Target dot get class. Okay, done. We did our advice things. Okay, I have to give the advice name here. Okay, what is the exception logger? Exception logger is there. Target. Okay, target is there. Okay, proxy factory bin, it is there. Inserted names. Okay, pin. I am not changing this, all these things. Okay, done. Let's go to our client app. In the client app, I need what? Price calculator. Okay, price calculator things. Price calculator. Okay, it is just get me now. Price calculator dot class. Control Shift O. Okay, then what we will do? Call our target methods. Okay, how to call our target method? Okay, exception will raise na. Try float some price is equal to what? Price is equal to what? Coupon mark dot calculate price. I am giving some 45.25 f float value and I am giving 0. Okay, I'm giving 0. Here will be the exception will be raised. Okay, and then what we'll do? S out the price. Okay, what is the price? Plus price. Okay, done. Then next we will catch what type? Exception E is equal to, okay, pin, I will give some internal problem. Okay, internal problem I will give. Okay, then internal problem I will give. And how to get the message? E dot get, sorry, e dot get message, or we will print structures. Okay, what happened? The operator question, but okay, I will do that only. Get message. Okay, string it will give. Done. Let's run our application. I also need the class name also. I need. Okay, I also need the get class. Okay, class. Okay. Okay, done. Let's run our application. Exception will be raised. Okay. Number format exception. Okay, internal problem, and giving the class is number format exception. Change problem. Okay. Class is this, and changed exception. Changed exception means it calling the what? Our it will transfer to where? Presentation tag. Okay, this advice will executed. Okay, if I give right number, okay, came. Okay, if I give 0 here, okay, 0, and I'm giving this is F. Okay, see, number format exception came changed. If I don't want to give to presentation there. Okay, I will comment it. Okay, I will comment it. Then see, class name and all those details here came. Okay, okay, we completed our throws as advice. Okay, I will tell some important points there. Okay, if our exception raised in our target method, control comes to where? Throws advice, and look for the after throwing method in the following order. Okay, following order means first order is exact exception type. Okay, if any exact exception type is there, or nearest superclass of raised exception is there. Okay, it will say exact type or some superclass of raised exception is there or not. Then some note point is there. If multiple after throwing methods contains exact match, then less param mean our one param method will execute. Okay, if the multiple after throwing methods contain superclass of a raised exception, then less param method means one method will execute. Okay, and in advice our types, some around advice type what? Around means when advice logic will execute around target method execution. Okay. Excess of target method arguments, yes, can see and modified. We can see and modified access to target methods return value also. And mm, yes, we can control on target method execution in around advice. In before advice, before the target method execution, uh, when the advice logic is executes, uh, we can see and modify the SS type of SS to target method arguments. Like this, everything is there. Okay. Last thing we will discuss programmatic approach in Spring AOP. Okay. Okay, we'll discuss what programmatic program programmatic approach. I will do programmatic approach means here no XML file support or bin configuration. We are doing bin configuration here now in XML file. We didn't do here. Okay. Means here no XML file support or bin configuration file support will be taken to generate our proxy classes. Okay. And all inputs will be given in the client through the Java statement. Okay. In this programmatic approach, all the inputs will be given directly in client application. Okay. Through our client application, we will give the Java statement. Okay. This is not recommended approach because here we use proxy factory class, proxy directly in client app to generate our proxy class. Okay. Means we use what proxy class means what proxy factory proxy factory is equal to okay proxy what factory. Okay. Will proxy factory will object will create, then factory dot set our set target is there, we will use this. Okay. Okay, here I am showing. Okay, control C I am showing in the application there also. See in the client app. Okay, what we will see. Okay, okay, proxy factory will string framework we will okay. Okay, this method is there, then factory dot add advice is there. Okay, we will discuss will develop application using proxy factory will also develop means how to execute means then how will execute means what is our bin is coupon marriage dot what dot factory proxy factory is equal to factory dot get proxy here, get proxy we will execute, then we will okay, and this is casting kind of things. Okay, then we will call our coupon match dot our business method. We can call the business method here. Okay, we didn't use this in our program. Means usually in our they never use this proxy factory directly in client app, because our Spring programmatic in our Spring AOP is not recommended to use, because it makes the programmer to modify Java code, okay, to enable or disable aspects, and it does not allow to programmer to make the benefit of Spring IOC container. When it will use means, if we are using non Spring environment, we can use this approach. Okay guys, thank you for this. Okay, next we will develop, next we will see point cuts in next class, and after the point class we will develop a program using this factory, where we will use the programmatic approach, okay, proxy factory we'll use there. Okay, thank you for the video. We'll meet on the next video.